Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub. In the last video, we have commit the changes. Now we are going to push that changes into our GitHub repository. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Okay, so here we go with that one. So in the last we have done the committing part. Now we are going to do the push part, right? And I think the sys token I haven't copied from the GitHub repository. I forgot. So let's the step is git push. So first of all, check which branch. Okay, so currently the branch I haven't created, so I need to push it on the main branch, right? So currently git push origin, this master branch, main branch, right? I want to push, and it asking for me the username and the password. So password I forgot, so I need to go with the SS tokens right now. So let's go and just check the settings because I haven't saved it. Okay, so here we go with the developer settings, and here we go with the personal access tokens. So here you can see that we have a token here, but tokens are generated. You can use the GitHub API. Versus token or just create a new token because I haven't saved it. Okay, so I need to add the password. What's the password? Is this? I hope it will work. Okay, so I will add the new personal access token, right? New token. Okay, so I will choose to the 30 days expiry, or you can maybe 90 days. Okay, so workflow, write packages, delete admin. I don't require admin work. No guest. I can create. I can use notifications, delete repo, write discussions. Okay, and audit code space, copilot projects. So it depends on to you. Just you have to make it like this and just generate a token. So make sure the token is there. Like just copy this and save it somewhere else. So I'm going to paste it right now. After that I will delete. Okay, so this is that one. I need to just go with my username. So this is a technical Rajni 90. So just put the technical Rajni 90 and put the password like this, and here you can see that objects are pushed. Now your part is done, so code is pushed. Let's have a look on that one. So let's go to your repositories. Okay, so here we go with your repositories. This is magenta part, right? So you can see now my app.js, test.js and test.txt created a file structure for the GitHub gets is pushed right now. Okay, so here you can see, right? So this is how the git process works. So currently you can see that I have just pushed that into the main branch, but if you're working in a different branch and you have to make a pull request, push request, so how it gonna be work? Okay, this is the simple phenomena that you are just pushing that branch. Okay, so but if like in a company, like in a project, like 2 3 people are working, and for that one branching system comes into the concept, right? If you are individual, if you are doing, but that also the branching part is comes into the role, right? So if you have a company, 2 3 people are there, so how they are going to push into the same repository? Like suppose I'm working on the login register, somebody working on the login register, same branch but different code concept or something like this. So how we are going to push the codes, how to resolve the conflict, something like this we are going to learn in the next series. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.